Now, Fox 54 Legal Connect with attorney Katonga Wright.
Hi, I'm Jackie Lynch, and I'm here today with attorney Katonga Wright. How are you?
I'm great, Jackie. How are you?
Wonderful. Glad to see you again. We've got a great question for you.
All right, I'm ready.
All right. I got a ticket recently for no insurance. Instead of going to court, I paid the ticket. Now I just got a letter in the mail stating that my license was suspended. Oh my goodness. What should I do?
Well, you would be surprised at how many calls we get about this exact same circumstance.
This seems awful.
And it really is. And what a lot of people don't understand is that when you pay a ticket, you're essentially pleading guilty.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah. And worse than that, there are certain offenses that if you plead guilty to will suspend your license.
Wow.
That's really terrible, right?
Yeah,
and
what do you do?
Oftentimes people don't know until, like, this person got that notice in the mail, the court is already done, they're thinking, woo, that's behind me, and now they're slapped with this suspension. So it is a huge problem, and what we have to do in these circumstances is try to go back and undo that guilty verdict, guilty plea that essentially happened when they paid the ticket, and it is no small order.
Wow.
And so it is best that people, when faced with what they think is probably a simple citation,
Really?
should always consult a lawyer.
Really?
And get some legal advice before you just plead guilty to something that you don't know what the ramifications or consequences will be.
Right. So even if I get just a simple speeding ticket, I might want to give you a call or an attorney a call?
You know, oftentimes people call us about speeding tickets who are concerned about their insurance rates going up. They're concerned about how long the ticket will be on their record if they did move forward with pleading guilty. They want to know what those ramifications are going to be. And depending on whether or not you drive for a living, even a speeding ticket can have some ramifications with respect to being insurable that you may not want to be dealing with later on down the road over $100-something ticket.
Absolutely. And sometimes it can cause you to have a challenge with your current job or if you're getting a job that you have to drive for.
Absolutely. So my advice to anybody who has received a citation, before you just pay it and plead guilty, get some legal advice. Talk to an attorney that handles traffic related cases and they can assist you with understanding what your rights are and what some alternatives to perhaps pleading guilty should be.
Right, absolutely. Well, thank you for your advice. How do we find you if we need to ask you a question?
Absolutely. If you've got questions out there, 706-719-0303, or you can email us at legalconnect@wxtx.com.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Jackie.